Hi everyone, I'm going to do some paper coloring tonight. These are the pans I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this Easter egg coloring kit. If I have time, I'll use that one. But for this one, I'm going to combine both packets into one. So double the blue, double the pink, double the yellow. And we'll see how it goes. Alright, this is the first batch to go in. If it turns out that color, I think it'll be very pretty. I'll let you know. Just out of the oven. I'll check them, take them off the pan and see if they're dry. Now I'm doing pink. Hopefully this turns out. Well, this is the finished product. I'm pleased with it. I got a wide variety of shades. I did some bandage gauze and some cheesecloth. Some small lined paper, some blank paper, some doilies, an envelope that's not perfect, but it's usable. Some large printed sheets, some small printed sheets, and some computer paper and lined paper. So there is 6 colors in the kit, but I only use 3 because it's really late. I'm gonna do the other 3 maybe tomorrow. Anyway, I am pleased with how everything turned out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like. Have a good night. Bye.